start this one off by measuring out a cup of quinoa in a bowl, then cover it with water and let that soak overnight to soften up. In the morning, drain it out, then rinse it really well under running water and transfer it to a blender along with a few cloves of raw garlic, some salt, and more water. Blend that up on high until it's nice and smooth, adding a little more water as needed. We want to achieve a texture that's slightly thinner than pancake batter. Drizzle some olive oil on a parchment-lined baking sheet and then rub it around to coat the entire pan. Pour the batter over top, then spread it out into an even, thin layer. It's okay if there's a few gaps. Bake it as is, or I like to sprinkle some stuff on top, using poppy seeds and hemp seeds and a little bit of flaky sea salt. Bake in a 325-degree oven for about 30 minutes or until it's browned all over and crisp. Allow them to cool down and then break the crackers into jagged pieces, and that's it.